Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're an anime lover and an Xfinity subscriber, we've got some fantastic news for you. Today, we're going to show you how to get Crunchyroll on your Xfinity device, so you can enjoy your favorite anime shows and movies right from your TV. Let's get started. First things first, we need to access the Xfinity App Store. Turn on your Xfinity TV and make sure it's connected to the internet. Using your remote, press the Xfinity button to bring up the main menu. From here, navigate to the App section. You'll find this in the top menu. Scroll over and select it. Once you're in the App section, you'll see a search bar. Type in Crunchyroll using your remote. As you type, you should see Crunchyroll appear in the search results. When you see Crunchyroll, select it. This will bring you to the app's page where you can download it. Next, you'll want to download and install the app. Highlight the download option and press OK on your remote. The installation should only take a few moments. Once the download is complete, you can either open the app directly from this screen or find it later in your app section. Now it's time to sign in. Open the Crunchyroll app. If you already have a Crunchyroll account, go ahead and enter your login details. If not, you can sign up for a new account right here. Follow the prompts to complete the sign-in or sign-up process. This might include entering an email address, creating a password, and selecting a subscription plan if you don't already have one. Conclusion. And that's it. You're all set to start watching your favorite anime. Browse through the extensive library of shows and movies Crunchyroll has to offer. From the latest hits to classic series, there's something for everyone. With Crunchyroll on your Xfinity device, you can enjoy a seamless anime streaming experience right on your TV. No more switching devices or dealing with messy cables. Just sit back, relax, and dive into the world of anime.